from the company DEWENWILS is an extension cord outlet for your needs. Easy to roll up and extend out. Check online for further details about the color, about the cord reel. What we're going to do is show you what this product is about and what you can use it for. It's protected by plastic. As we open up, it's got a nice color, blue and black, and shows you the way it rotates and rolls up. Little vent holes. The cord, 3-prong, 110 VAC, 220 VAC. You have a switch on and off, a handle telling you the arrows to roll. So what we're going to go do is go out to the garage. Outside is a 25-foot cord with 4 outlets, including 2 USB-A ports. Roll-up cords come in many shapes and sizes for your needs and hanging. This is portable, compact, and lightweight. So what we're going to do is roll it out to where we need our cord. Nice and easy, comes out and has a white marking at the end, a foot, to tell you to stop. Of a foot where you stop. Simply roll back, place down on the floor, and plug into the outlet of your choice. We'll take a measurement of 25 feet of our cord. We have 25 feet to the exact of the cord. When all done, simply grab and roll. We need to extend an outlet, allow it to roll out, plug up and run. It is not USB-C compliance, but USB-A compliance that you plug in a cable and charge. You have an option of up to 13 amps rated with a 16-gauge 25-foot cord roll-up extension outlet kit. Up to 4 items to total 13 amps. It's a fully manual roll-up wheel. Pull out and roll up. Right-handed and left-handed use. This is a product, 125 volts VAC, 16-gauge, 25-foot, 3-prong wire, ground and on and off switch with 2 USB ports. Simply roll it up and off you go. No more twists, no more tangled cords. With your 25-foot extension cord kit. It could be hung up on a wall. It could be placed on the floor. Portable, taken wherever you like. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. Thank you for viewing for your household and automobile and carpentry needs.